Hi guys, my name is Brett Savadil. I, like probably a lot of you, am an aspiring pre-PA student. I currently work at St. Louis Children's Hospital. I'm here right now actually getting this done on my lunch break. Um, so yeah, I'm doing that for my patient care hours, which a lot of PA programs require. Other than that, I play a few instruments. I like to go to concerts when I can. I love doing pretty much anything outdoors. Um, Snowboarding season. I live here in St. Louis, so snowboarding season just kind of ended, which is kind of a bummer. It's pretty short-lived with this warm winter. But in the summer, I'll look forward to going on float trips and going on hiking trails and pretty much just being outside as much as I can. Um, I finished my undergrad at Truman State University, which is just kind of like a small liberal arts university in basically in the middle of nowhere in northern Missouri. I got my degree in health science and a minor in psychology and biology. I also played rugby when I was up there. I was a founding member of the Mental Health and Wellness Committee and the Red Cross Club, and I was in a social fraternity as well. So I was pretty busy most of the time I was up there. Um, After undergrad, I took a medical scribing job in a local St. Louis area emergency department. It was an incredible, invaluable experience. Like it was so fun. You learn a lot really quickly. And but however, I was afraid that some PA schools don't accept these medical scribing jobs as patient care hours. If you don't know what that is, it's just you basically follow a physician around and you pretty much just lighten their load and do their charting for them. You take patient, history of present illnesses, and you record EKGs, and you pretty much just take up down like really detailed notes and kind of like lighten that load for the physician. So, like I said, I tried to find a different job. I took a little cross country road trip, and then I became shortly after became a phlebotomist. So that's what I'm doing here at St. Louis Children's Hospital. I love it. I love pediatrics. Hopefully, when I'm done with PA school, I'd like to go back to emergency medicine. I just kind of like how the whole unit kind of works in concert and tries to get things done as quickly and safely as possible. I kind of dreaded taking this class in undergrad, and I'm not sure why now. I'm kind of like paging through the book and looking through the schedule, and just excited to get started and get this class going. So, yeah, thanks for watching.